The importance of sleep for muscle recovery.
Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery after exercise. While you sleep, your body repairs muscle fibers, releases growth hormones, and reduces inflammation. Getting quality rest is just as important as stretching or nutrition when it comes to reducing soreness and building strength.
Back sleeping, the optimal position.
Sleeping on your back is often recommended for muscle recovery. This position keeps your spine aligned, minimizes unnecessary pressure on muscles, and promotes even blood flow. Using a pillow under your knees can further relieve tension and support overall recovery.
Side sleeping, a good alternative.
Side sleeping can also aid muscle recovery, especially if you use proper support. Placing a pillow between your knees helps keep your hips aligned and reduces lower back strain. This position may also help with breathing, making it easier to fall into deeper, restorative sleep.
Stomach sleeping, potential drawbacks.
Sleeping on your stomach is generally not recommended after intense workouts. This position can strain your neck, spine, and major muscle groups. Over time, stomach sleeping may reduce sleep quality and slow down your muscle recovery process.
Tips for better sleep and recovery.
To maximize recovery, combine proper sleep positioning with healthy habits. Stretch gently before bed, keep your sleep environment cool and dark, and avoid screens before sleeping. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night helps your muscles repair efficiently and reduces next-day soreness.